it was like, hey, Shania, oh, Shania, and she enters, it's iconic. You just did one trick where it went in my shoe, and I ended up beating you anyways. I already rated my mom, so other than my mom, I think Tamanna.
And there's still so much to cover. There's not enough time. So we're going to kick things off with a rapid fire round. Are you ready?
We're ready.
Yes?
I guess.
Rapid, okay?
Okay.
So here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to ask one question, and Rasha, you can go first.
Okay.
And Vedant, you're going to keep things moving after Rasha, okay? All right, everyone. I love a good rapid fire. If your shoes could say one thing about you, what would they say? Rasha.
Comfort.
Oh, same question for me?
Yes, yes.
Comfort. Comfort.
I took his word.
Comfort. When it comes to style, are you more classic or are you more trendy?
Both. Can be both.
I think I'm more classic. At least the way I dress up usually is a bit more like vintage and classic.
Totally shows today. What's the one fashion rule that you would love to break?
I would love to break. Following the dress code.
Fashion rule I'd like to break. I think I do it pretty often. I wear like socks and then slides on top. Some people think it's obnoxious.
No, I do that.
Yeah, like I find it.
Are you
I
calling
think
me
it's-
obnoxious?
No, I think
Calling
it's,
myself also obnoxious.
it's fun to do obnoxious things,
Exactly,
no?
yeah. So
Yeah,
that's
I mean,
the rule
there's a
I'd like
time
to
for
break.
everything. Why not? Okay,
Yeah.
tell me, what's your favorite fashion decade?
90s.
Yeah,
Is that even a question?
90s.
90s.
Yeah, I know, right? What about
60s.
you? The
60s for me, yeah,
The
I think-
60s vibe.
Yeah, I just love that vintage, like.
You're a retro
well-tailored.
man.
Yeah, I'm a bit of a retro man.
Retro man.
Old
Okay,
soul.
what's the one thing that everyone here should have in their closet, non-negotiable? Guys, I hope you're listening and
Aldo
taking
shoes.
notes.
And bags.
Brownie points.
Hello, bags.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, bags, not one, many of them. What's that one Bollywood fashion moment that lives rent-free in your head?
Okay, I know my answer. Do you want to
Rasha,
go first?
Go first.
From Student of the Year, when it was like, hey, Shania, oh, Shania, and she enters, it's iconic.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know, you did it so well.
Sorry?
You're a fan of that moment, I can tell.
100, I think every girl and woman of everyone is. Thank you.
So
Thank
everyone
you.
just had a hey Shania moment.
Yeah, I mean, the charisma is just,
Beautiful.
yeah.
Yeah, that was an iconic one. Plus,
Yeah.
like, that
What about
song,
you,
right?
Vedant?
And then all the bags and all the brands and.
Yes.
For me, I'm trying to think of like a recent like moment, and what comes to mind suddenly is Diljit and Alia at the Met Gala. I think they really killed it. They
I think
really
that was
killed it.
cool.
Yeah.
Now, I'm really looking forward to this answer. If there was one celebrity whose closet you would want to raid, like right now, who would that be?
I already rated my mom, so other than my mom, I think Tamanna.
Good choice, I must say. Vedant, what about you?
I'll go international.
Okay,
To avoid
why
all
not?
controversy. I think Austin Butler. I really like his style. I like the way he dresses.
Oh, yes, good choice. Okay, now, if magic wasn't a factor, who would win in a card game according to you? Rasha or Vedant?
Sorry?
If magic wasn't a factor, who would win in a card game?
100% me. Not even a question. Not
You
even a
didn't
question.
even let Rasha go first.
Yeah, I know the
Rasha,
answer.
what do you have to say to that?
I'm not responding because I know
Because she
I'll win.
knows.
No, because I know I'll win.
But she's
Hello.
a magician, no? She doesn't
Yeah.
need to know a card
You'll
game.
win.
I
If I
got
let you
the
win.
1 second. Oh, whoa, what? I got the cards out of my bag. Did you even see that?
But I was doing all the tricks, no?
What
You
did
just did one trick where it went in my shoe, and I ended up beating you anyways.
Yeah, I'll give it to her.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I think we're live, but but yeah, what
Yeah,
are
are
the
we
bags for? What are the bags for? They're for tricks, and they're for learning the game. But that was fantastic, right? You know what? If I had a coffee hamper right now, I wouldn't know
I'd
who to
win.
give it.
I'd
to.
win. Please,
You're
come
being
on.
too-
Who are you lying to? Girls? Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, listen.
Thank you,
wait.
whoever that was.
Yeah, I mean, I'm on your side too, and I'd say this is kind of a
You're on his side.
right?
Diplomat.
Right now, I'm on his side, no? I'm on his side. Yeah, I'm on his side. No, but honestly, I think this is a bit of a tie, and I'm going to need some help with untying this. So, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, let's put our hands together because the Try Everything squad is going to be here, and they are going to show us how it's done.